Hi everyone, it's Jeff from Mitosu Crafts. Thank you for joining me today and welcome to our channel. So today I am hopping along with the Global Stampin Video Hop with the theme of in colors. So I'll be creating a pocket card to put in your gift cards featuring the Friends for Life bundle with the stamp set. It's a photopolymer stamp set with 14 designs on there and the dies as well. So this one's got 9 dies. I've taken off some stuff that I'll be using, and also the in colors that I'll be using is the Summer Splash, Petunia Pop, and Pretty in Pink inks. For card base, I've got a Pretty in Pink 5.5 by 8.25, 14 centimeters by 21 centimeters. I've got 3 pieces of basic white normal, 13 centimeters by 9.5 or 5/1/8 by 3 3/4. And I have some offcuts of basic white thick for stamping and Summer Splash. I'm also going to be using a 6x6 in color DSP. So that one is the 2024 to 2026 in color, of course, and that one is the Pretty in Pink design. So the idea for this card is actually using most of this 6x6 DSP, and this is the template. So I'll show you. I've pre-cut mine already, but I will go through. So this is 1 cut, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4. But if I do it that way, so you can see, so first one, so with this type of DSP, it's not orientated, so that's okay. So because it's going to be a landscape, so if your card is kind of like orientated to landscape or portrait, do it as a landscape and do the, yeah, so it's gonna be, that one's gonna be at the front, so have the orientation as that way up. Okay, so the first one we're gonna do is cut at 1 inches or 2.5 centimeters. Take that piece and cut again at 1 inches or 1 inch even, or 2.5 centimeters. And that's actually just the offcut that we will have 1 by 1 square. I guess you can keep that, but that one we will use for the inside. Next, we're gonna turn it with the long edge, so the 6-inch edge against the guard, and we're gonna cut again at 3/5/8 of an inch or 9.2 centimeters. So again, the orientation of that is like that. And then finally, for this piece, we're gonna score at 1/4 of an inch or 0.5 centimeters or 5 millimeters. So I'm gonna actually do the inches and score it that way. And you can just fold that in now. So we have that piece like so. So that one's on there. I've got an offcut. That one is there, and also I've got up the piece that I have. I've already stuck down. Okay, so now we're gonna do our card. So going back onto these, so we have got the basic white. One of them I just used matte and layered, and that's gonna go on the outside, and then the 2 is gonna go on the inside. So before we do that, we're just gonna add our DSP on the top. So I decided to use the back side of this one just to change it up, and that will have the same border as the other ones. And for that one, I'm gonna stamp happy birthday using Petunia Pop. And try and aim centrally. So that's done. And then we also have the hearts, and I'm gonna stamp that in Summer Splash. So I want just the small one for the top right. So I'm using the edge of the ink pad and then stamp that on. And then now I can fully ink up both design and have it on the bottom left. That's done. And we're gonna do our pocket. So this piece we've scored along on one side. So again, the orientation is this way, and we're just gonna stick that down. Now we have scored that one, so I'm just gonna burnish that. And what I've done is I've added tear and tape along the edge, so on the side and along the bottom. Okay, I'm just gonna extend that out, take off that piece. I went too far, but just tuck that in. And I'm gonna use a punch. So I have the 1 3/4 of an inch punch. So I'm just aiming for the middle to create a finger tab and punch. Now you can adhere those, but I'm not gonna bother because it kind of like lifts it up a little bit as well. So I'm just gonna take off these, and this one, line it up along the bottom. So again, with a nice border. And our gift card can be slotted in. And the side, because it's got a 1/4 of an inch 5mm, it lifts up, so you can easily put it in and take it out. So that's done. You can add more stamping on there if you prefer. We'll just give some more hearts or other sentiment, if whatever you have. So I'm just gonna do some more hearts on here. So we can finish up the inside. We're independent Stampin' Up demonstrators based in the UK, so if you live in the UK, France, Germany, Austria, Netherlands, Belgium, or Ireland, you can purchase current Stampin' Up products from our online shop. Do check the description below for the product links, as well as the next video link in the hop. So that's the inside, and the gift card goes in. I'll just take out that gift card again, because now we're gonna decorate the front. I'm just gonna do some more stamping with the basic white in the front and pretty in pink. So ink that up. Stamp it. So we're just gonna die cut that with the matching die, and I have gone ahead and die cut myself in a junior pop, that one. And I have some hearts, small hearts, in the summer splash as well, but I'll do the heart in summer splash too. So now we have our die cuts, and this die, the big hearts die, cuts out the outline and it keeps the inside in place. So you just need to snip that off, following the edge to get that out. So we're actually going to use that one, and we can stamp some designs on it. So tone on tone, which is the summer splash, with the leaves, just to give it some texture. Or you can actually give it some texture by embossing it. Right, so we're just gonna add this on. Now we can have it right in the center. And then the friend, if you just add glue, like a line of glue, maybe have your line a lot straighter than mine. And we're going to add dimensional on that one. So we're just going to add that on, and then add the hearts. And then finish up with the rainbow adhesive back dots. And there we go. That is my pocket card for the Global Stampin Video Hop with the theme of Incolors. Do check out the description below for the product links as well as the next video in the hop. And I hope you enjoyed this gift card holder idea. Thanks again for joining me today. Until next time, bye!